Hello, welcome to Precious Idea. I'm Kumar. Start today. Our topic is how we can use menu in WordPress and how that menu works. Okay, so when you install that your plugin and theme and the theme and when you how we you can able to see you can see this is a website where we are not having any menu right now. We have only test slide. Right? Let me refresh this page and maybe this option will be automatically deleted. Okay, because I just delete that thing, delete that menu from there. Okay, so you can see right now there is no menu will be coming here. Let me create some menu for you and you can able to see how we can create a menu. Okay, so this is the page where we have to come like appliance having that menus options. Man, you have to click on here and try you can you come here. If you don't have any menu, you can see there's a menu structure, so you have to create. First you have to give him some name, then you can able to create the menu. Okay, so we choose as main a menu. Okay, and let me create this menu. Okay, right now when we see this save this option, we can see here there's no option will be coming like we create that menu, right? But there is no options. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to come here on the back end and we have to create that menu, like which page we have to call. Okay, they gives you lots of options like pages. You can see how many pages will be coming here. You can all you have all that post options and also custom link if you want to use. If you want to use categories as well, here this is the options. Okay, and they also giving you this menu setting like whenever you create any you add any menu, this like if you create any page, this that page is automatically added here. This is the option they are giving auto add pages. Okay, and the next option is where the location will be displayed. It is totally depend on your theme. Right now we are using 2021 theme. This is by default theme, so they are giving these options. If you install any other plugin, they are if you install any other themes, then they have different options. Okay, so let me start. I'm just creating a custom links which is having which is also called that as menu. Okay, so link I just pasted has for right now, and the text will be home. Okay, let me and add to menu. Okay, so we are also do one more thing like Google. Okay, we this because this that page is called as custom link. Okay, so we can use any custom links as well there. Okay, so we'll come here and we can just paste it google.com here and as well as Google. Okay, just click on add to menu. It is automatically add. When we click on add to menu, it you can see it is also automatically added. Okay, and you can able to see here we have option like we can, if we want to change, we have to. If we want to delete it, then they have option, and they have one more option which is called move. Okay, you can directly click here, automatically go down. If you want to go up, they automatically come up. Okay, they have one more option which is called child menu. Okay, so if we want this, if we select this option, it automatically called as their child. Okay, but we don't want to this, so out from home, and we have two menus which is called this home and Google. Okay, so this option will be coming, and one more option we have. We can drag and drop our options as well here to here. Like if we want to home as a Google is a parent, and home will be now child. Okay, if we want to become parent as home once again, then we can just drag and drop. Okay, now we have to select primary menu and secondary menu. We can just click on save menu. Now when we refresh this page, we can able to see our menus on the home page, on the upper side of the website. The website is loading right now. Okay, so yeah, the site is loaded, and the both option of menu is coming here. Okay, if we click here, we are redirected to google.com because we are putting the google.com there. Okay, you can see we redirecting from there to here. Okay, the next option will be home, because that home is not having any options right now. So because of that, it is not working for us. But you can just see that there was one has will be coming on the URL. Okay, when we click here, you can see one has will be coming. Okay, so this is the video where we are discussing about how we can add a menu, how we can create a menu, how what is the structure of the menu, and what is the option will be giving from by WordPress in about menu. Okay, hope you like this video. If you have any suggestion for this for us, please share with us and we'll improve that thing. Please like, subscribe, and please press the bell icon. You can automatically got the notification like we are publishing any other videos. We obviously be giving you different videos in few days. Thank you.